One thing I noticed is, let's start with the first only complaint that I have. Two complaints, not really complaints, but let's just be truthful. The ride is a little bit different than what you would expect from a 1LE. It's not bad, guys, so please, I'm not bashing at all. But it is stiff, but I like it. It reminds me of the Drop Challenger Scat Pack. You just have to be careful where you go and expect it to change. But so that's the only thing. Let's get that out. Yep, it's not gonna ride like a Cadillac, so it's not even gonna ride like a Z06, kind of like a Z06 Z07 package. So it's definitely stiff. And the last thing, and I said the only two complaints that I have is the last one is, yes, when you are close to a light, because of the head, I guess the windshield is so low, you can barely see the light. So you kind of literally have to look underneath the headliner just to see the light. So I thought that was kind of funny, but other than those two, that's the only thing that I have. And so it's been an awesome car. Yes, gas mileage is about equivalent to a Scat Pack, probably a little bit less, but to be expected as a weekend car. So here's the positives. What I like so far about the car, of course, I like the color code. I'll give you a little backstory of this car. I actually ordered a 2023 Camaro ZL1 1LE that I'm still waiting for the dealership to come in. I found this one pre-owned with about 1,450 miles, so 1,450 miles. This wasn't my preference as far as color. It was either going to be white or red, but this one kind of fell in my lap. I absolutely love the color now. Still waiting to see what GM does. You already know the 6th gen was just officially announced to end in January of 2024. So I'm not sure if they're going to make a 1LE ZL1. So I have one. But so far, I absolutely love the car. I love the wheels. Yes, I'm gonna change the brake pads to Durastop because you can tell brake dust. So that's probably braked. I already added the rock guards for the front and back. You can tell there too. So I just need to add the brake pads, get rid of the brake dust. I already did the AFE. I'm sorry, not FE. I'm sorry, Rotofab air intake on there, and I also did the MAMO Mamu Motorsports throttle body. Great results on those two things. It definitely sounds a lot louder. So I absolutely love the cars, guys. It's a 6-speed. Again, the tires has been changed already to PS4s, so I don't have to worry about that. The only thing that I'm going to plan on doing with this car is simply to drive it and enjoy it on weekends and nice days like today, going to car shows, etc. Probably get to do some track times, maybe. We'll see. Between this and the Z06, I just got to find a track that's still open here in Houston, because they seem to be closing all of ours. So if you know any track days or track places here locally, here close to Houston, let me know. I love to see what I'll do on the track. And then I'll probably do one video where I kind of compare it to the C7 ZO6, if I can get somebody else to drive this one or the Z06. So I like to see how it compares to that. But other than that, guys, I'm going to show you the interior, talk a little bit about that, and that's pretty much for the exterior, pretty much for the car. Like I said, it's been a joy to drive, been a joy to own so far, and I don't see myself getting rid of it. Actually, I did take one more thing. I did add the LED side markers, and yes, they are correct now. So thank you for that. For a subscriber or a person that watched the video, let me know. But that's been taken care of. Actually, one of my favorite things is the carbon fiber wing here. That's supposedly what the issue is on the ZL1 with the constraints. I'm not sure, guys, but you would think GM would be able to have carbon fiber and make the spoiler. So I'm not sure what they're going to do, but I will say, if anybody wants a 1LE or even a ZL1, please find one. Even if it's used, it's okay. Just make sure you do your due diligence. And on to the interior. All right, guys, we're going to start up real fast. Let's see how it rumbles. You hear that popping noise in the back? That's pretty cool. So, yeah, I told you again, it's 6-speed. Difference between this one and the Z06 and Z06-7, I actually like this transmission a lot better. The 6 gears, I think 7 gears is a little bit too much. Let me show you what the mileage is. So now I got 1,512. Again, I'm First day I've been driving it since putting in the install. Didn't get the carbon fiber. This one didn't come with it, but it has the suede. It has red seat belts, like I mentioned in the other video. So again, I love it, guys. I don't plan on doing anything interior wise, just drive and enjoy it. And again, that's pretty much it. I got my thing, but this is a beautiful day in the Woodlands, Texas. Just kind of give you guys a view. And I'll go ahead and I'm going to end it one more thing about GM, but in upcoming, I guess the announcement with the Camaro, and then I'll just want to thank all the new subscribers again. I appreciate it. Again, I love cars. I've owned a lot of them. I do it for the passion of it. I say as I'm a YouTuber, but I'm not really. I'm just a car enthusiast that I want to pass it on to you guys, the enthusiasm for the car. The one thing I noticed that this one didn't have garage door openers. I don't know why every car has a garage opener except for this one. They found LED map lights, but they didn't put a garage door opener memory. So I don't know. That's kind of weird. This one doesn't have the reverse camera either. I haven't found too many issues with that. I mean, just again, user due diligence. But I'll talk. Appreciate it.
Keep the hot rods alive. Gas.
There you go. Awesome. Thank you.
That interior's pretty too.
Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You have a good day.
You too. Take care.